Alright, we're running program 3716, which is op2. When the machine comes to a stop, you'll have a finished part in the subside and a not quite completed part in the main side. You gotta take them both out. Reclamp after you take that part out. Side, take the part out. Okay. So the non-finished one is just kind of a rough finish there, and the hole's not done. The finished one it's nice and shiny. It's got the little counter bore and the little tapered hole in there. That hole is for the shotgun primers. I've got a box of shotgun primers here so you can make sure they fit in. They just got to slide in there. They'll slide in so far, and then you got to kind of push them down. Let's see if I can get one there. All right. So it just snugs right in there. Okay. And all those do is they basically pack a big M80. They drop it in there, they'll put a rubber band around it and pop it in there. And then that will go into the launcher. So that goes into the launcher. Close it up. Try one-handed. Okay, so now that's in the launcher. You can test fire it. Pretty loud bang with the shotgun primer. And that works. The dimensions that you can check, you've got the overall length, the thickness of the neck. The neck here is the 101. The 151 and the 1 inch 491 are just the undercut and the shoulder here so that it slips all the way in. The ID is 1 inch 375. The very bottom it gets a little smaller, 1 inch 250. Those are your depths. Now the 244, again, that's just kind of there as a reference for that shotgun primer. You should never have to touch anything on this. With it being aluminum, it'll run pretty good all the time. Check it with the shotgun primer just to fit once in a while. If they're too loose, you're just going to adjust that boring bar minus in the X. Now to load the next piece, you just grab this out of here, blow out your chuck, use your finger to make sure there's no chips or anything in there. Push the part all the way against the chuck jaws, clamp, and you're ready to go. Just cycle start.